Morning world! We are in the hotel room because we just went out to Lawson, came back and we got our breakfast. Today's breakfast, she's having this honey and migraine. I don't know why she wants migraine in the morning. But I've got beautiful creation, cup noodles. And this one that I've got is, I can't read this. It looks pretty cool because it looks like the uncle made it. Okay. And then we've got some soft smoked egg. And then negi desu. Okay, it's time for breakfast before we begin our day and head out. Today we are going to... where are we going to? Tokushima. We have parked and we are now by the bridge to observe the whirlpool thingy. It's not on this side, but again, awesome view as always. So yeah, we're gonna go to the observation deck and see the whirlpool from there. So it's a fairly alright walk, I guess, towards the whirlpool area, but let's go! And if you're ever wondering, there's a parking area here. Parking area here costs 500 yen, but at least it guarantees you a parking spot that is closest to that whirlpool area. But let's go to the whirlpool area. So we made it in, and we're kind of underneath the massive bridge now. You can hear like the cars above us running through. Look at that! It's like a literal walkway down the line. So let's see. Ooh, that's not the whirlpool though. That's kind of like the waves crashing onto the rocks behind. But it's a hell of a view as well. Okay, we're literally at the central point of the area. Yet there is nothing but like waves at the bottom. Can't really see. I don't know. I have a feeling with your pen. Walk all the way out from the bridge to this central area and then there's like nothing. I don't know, it doesn't seem like there's I may be wrong, but this is as far as it goes at. Like, I mean, the people over on the other side, but it doesn't seem like there's anything. Like, I don't know. So if you ask me, should you try pay money for maybe we're not here at the right time, because they do have a sign here that says the best time to visit the whirlpool, and it's either 8:10 or 2:10. Right now it's almost 11 AM. Maybe that's the reason why. Maybe it's just cause we're not here at the right time. So word to the wise, if you're gonna come here, maybe check the timings beforehand. It is a nice view, I give you that, but it's just not exactly... But it's a nice view, look at that. Woo! Is it there? No, it's not there. Yeah. Well. Alright, going on some escalator. with a long ass escalator. Look at that long ass escalator. That long ass. Okay, so we managed to get onto the observation deck and it has a pretty nice view. Whoa! These guys are really with like, they're taking pictures of the birds or the eagle or whatever it is that's there. But look at this! Again, here you get pretty dope ass views. And then that's the bridge we came in on, and Awaji Island being over on the other side. And then that was the observation deck where we went underneath that side. Nice, I guess. We have reached Tokushima area and it is much more warmer here. I guess it's like 20 plus degrees, and it's pretty cool because like we've got free parking from the place that we're going, which is called Inotani. We're gonna have a ramen over there, so that's gonna be exciting because it's kind of like, is this the first ramen we're having on a trip? I think it is. So it's gonna be fun. This is the place. Woo! Guess where? Hard off. This is definitely one of the places to visit, to be able to find and buy some cool shit. Hopefully we get to find and buy some cool shit here. Ooh. Alright. We are at Ritsurin Garden. I've been in the middle of there and here. We kinda went around, went to Aeon Mall, nothing much, and then walk inside? Okay. We went to Aeon Mall, nothing much. Went to one of the Don Quixotes as well, also nothing much. And now we're at Ritsurin Garden where hopefully we get to see a massive Sakura bloom. Massive! Like, woo! But I'm honestly not harboring any hope on this. And Ritsurin Garden is gonna close soon as well. I think within the hour or so. So hopefully we get to see most of the garden too. So yeah, I'm gonna just cut to a couple of clips of Ritsurin Garden. We managed to find one. Oh no, there's another one back there. Yo. Okay, so we're wandering around Ritsurin Garden. Ultimately, it's still a place to come. It's pretty nice, very tranquil, quiet, and chill. I mean, the only thing is, if you are coming here to look for the sakuras in full bloom, I guess it's either down to A, luck, or B, good timing in part of, you know, if you can plan your trip early, how early can you plan your trip kind of thing. Oh, there's some in front. Yeah, how early can you plan your trip and catching the right time, because clearly not all of them are in bloom today, or this round for that matter. So yeah, we did, like, you know, see the occasional one or two trees that are like, oh, that kind of thing. Even whilst driving on the highway, we occasionally drive by one or two trees that has like a bloom. But yeah, this trip was supposed to be a Sakura trip, but we didn't exactly make it. Look at this. This is not Sakura though. This is another type of. But it's beautiful. But look at that. Can you imagine if all of these were like in full bloom? Oh man. Maybe next time. It's gonna be so chill if the whole place is. And again, of all the Sakura trees, I think we found the most beautiful one here. Beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. And it's so beautiful to the point where SHP is doing a news segment on it. It's gotta be like the only. There's like a crew of like 6 people for this segment. Yeah. Definitely need their setup though. But it is beautiful. It's nice. Very nice. Yeah, I just hope that there was more. But yes, sure. Wonder if I can crash there. Woo! And after a pretty long drive, we are now at Marugame, and we're eating this thing called Ikkaku. Ikkaku. It's supposed to be some chicken or grilled chicken. Oh, I can smell the chicken. Ooh, smells chickeny. Alright, let's try it. Alright, we're done with dinner, which was fantastic. By the way, dinner was awesome. If you're ever around the area or have an Ikkaku nearby, please try it, it's awesome. Anyway, we are in the room now at Hotel Anesis. This is the walkway. It fits my luggage and that's it. And then, let me show you the room. It's not too bad, right? If you're like, I think, one person. I don't know. Like, but it is pretty small, especially when we got massive luggages like that. But it's still okay lah. I suppose generally okay. No. Uh-oh. The toilet is like that. It's pretty old school, and honestly, when I first opened the door of the toilet, it had this very musty smell, which is not the best first impressions, but okay. We're only here for one night, so I think that's still alright. Okay, see you in the next episode, which is probably the next day. Bye bye.